So let us learn about light. We are able to see the beautiful world around us because of light. We can read a book, see pictures in a magazine, and watch television and movies due to the existence of light. Light is a form of energy. Light is needed to see things around us. Light enables us to see objects. And it is light which makes us see our image in a looking mirror. We also need a source of light to make objects visible. For example, we cannot see any object in a dark room or in the darkness of night because there is no light in a dark room or in the night to make objects visible. But as soon as an electric bulb, a tube light or a torch, is switched on and light falls on the objects, we are able to see them clearly. It is only when light coming from an object enters our eyes that we are able to see that object. So let us learn about luminous object. The object which emit their own light are called luminous objects. Example: an electric bulb gives its own light. It is a luminous object. Others example are the sun, stars, electric bulb, tube light, torch, candle and fire are luminous object. So what is non-luminous object? Those objects which do not emit light themselves but only reflect or scatter the light which falls on them are called non-luminous objects. Example: a flower does not give its own light. It is a non-luminous object. We can see the flower during daytime because it reflects sunlight falling on it into our eyes. Others example are a flower, chair, table, book, trees. Other plants, human beings, fan, bed, mirror, diamond, walls, floor, and road are all non-luminous objects. Now we are going to learn reflection of light. The bouncing back of light is called reflection of light. Let us consider a plane mirror. When incident ray fall on the plane mirror, or it incident on point of incidence, it reflected back along the same plane, and normal line is perpendicular to plane mirror. Or we can say the bouncing back of light is called reflection of light. So let us learn what is incident ray. The ray of light which falls on the mirror surface is called the incident ray. From the figure we can see a ray of light is fall on the mirror is called incident ray. So what is mean by point of incidence? The point at which the incident ray falls on the mirror is called the point of incidence. From the figure we can observe that center point of plane mirror where incident ray falls is called point of incidence. So what is reflected ray? The ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called the reflected ray. From the figure we can see a ray of light sent back by mirror is called reflected ray. So what is mean by normal? The normal is a line at right angle to the mirror surface at the point of incidence. From the figure we can see that a line perpendicular to plane mirror is called normal line. What is angle of incidence? The angle of incidence is the angle made by the incident ray with the normal at the point of incidence. From the figure we can see that angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. It is denoted by small I. So what is angle of reflection? The angle of reflection is the angle made by the reflected ray with the normal at the point of incidence. From the figure we can see that angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. It is denoted by small r. In next video we will learn laws of reflection. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel Geeta Tutorial, Raichur.